Yes, and welcome to Frugal Witch Mom. Today we have been out walking. It's been lovely weather. It actually has been a little bit of snow too, but it sometimes it is sunshine and sometimes it's snow. But we decided anyway to go out and get some of that beautiful sunshine. So we went out for a walk today, the whole family, even the cat joined in. So you will see some nice picture I took of the lovely trip we had. We also actually saw a deer, but I didn't manage to take photo of it, which was really nice. And I went out to collect some branches, which I will be using for Easter, but we celebrate Ostara, but Ostara has been, so we are going to use these branches and put decoration on them. I also managed to get to see some little plants which are starting to grow, have started to come from spring. And after we had walked through the forest, we went all the way up on the mountain and we were looking all over the sea, the beautiful sea view and the mountains, and it was lovely. And the end of the trip, before we went back home, I took with me, because I had some bread left that I didn't want to go off, so I took the bread with me and I put some sausage, some herbs on it and some cheese, and I was cooking it outside for today's dinner, which my 7-year-old really loved, and we just had a beautiful day. And it just shows that you can go out, you can be in nature, and it doesn't have to cost. It doesn't have to cost to do fun stuff. So a good frugal tips is to go out. If you have nature around you, if you have a park, beach, whatever, go out and enjoy the nature you have. For me, it's really important to be in nature. It does something to your well-being. So enjoy all the lovely pictures, and please, if you like my videos and want to see frugal tips or want to stay with me for the witchy stuff, please subscribe to my channel, and if you like it, please comment, and have a lovely day. Bye!
Det är ganska fint det.
Det var gott, mamma.
Ja, men